when I used to laugh or smile, I used to like cover my mouth and stuff like that. Now it's a habit for me to like just smile big. Like I don't even think about putting my hand over my mouth like at all when I laugh, and I'll be like but I don't do this shit no more. I like my teeth and they're cute. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about my braces. So far I've had my braces for 1 year and 1 month so far, and my experience with them has been pretty smooth. The only thing is all of these appointments that I have to go to. Before I got braces, I didn't even think about that. You know what I'm saying? They were so stupid. I don't know. But yeah, I get my braces tightened like every 2-3 months basically. So yeah, I had them for a year, so I've been had a few appointments so far. My experience right now with them, basically I can't feel them. When I first got them on, they were very painful, because like every time I get them tightened, they hurt, because you know when they tighten or whatever, like they're moving. So when I eat something, if I try to eat something and if it's not soft, my teeth are gonna hurt. Not my teeth, my gums or whatever. The progress with my teeth, they're getting very straight. So far they're straight right now, but I still have to go in and they still have to, like, you know, position my teeth to be where they're supposed to be. Like, just from looking at them, I think one of them needs to come down a little bit, and then the two down here at the bottom, they used to be together, like one was on top of the other one, but like they, you know, got rid of that and stuff like that. But now it has a little gap right here, but they're not done yet. They're still work in progress, but so far I'm happy with the results or whatever, because they look way better than they did at first. Let me tell y'all about, like, if you're thinking about getting braces, just know, keep in mind that there is a ugly period. There's an ugly period. I know, like, I love my braces. Like, I love them. I think they're so cute. But if, like, you want them, like, you know, for the looks and stuff like that, if your teeth are crooked, of course, when you first get braces on, your teeth are still going to be crooked. I'm saying crooked. I say crooked, but they're still going to be crooked. Okay? They're still going to be crooked. Okay? So keep that in mind. Because, see, that's something that I went in and I didn't think about that either. Since I told y'all, like, my teeth was, like, on top of each other like that at the bottom. Two of them was, well, one of them was on top of the other one. When I went in and got them braces, I don't even know what the fuck I was thinking about. That's sad. But yeah, like, they put my braces on and my ass did not even think that after they put the braces on, my teeth was still gonna look the same. But not only did my teeth look the same, I knew my teeth was gonna look the same, but I thought I was just gonna have braces on them. But with my tooth being on, one of them being on top of the other one at the bottom, with that being like that, they had to put a spring at the bottom. And I hated that. Like, that was so ugly. So if y'all have like teeth that's like on top of each other and you want braces or whatever, just keep in mind they may put a spring on there. And then a spring is not like a wire. Like, it's like a little small spring, and y'all gonna see that or whatever, but they look crazy. But I didn't have to have that spring on for too long. I can remember I had it probably about maybe 3 months, maybe. That's how long I had to have that spring. But yeah, I was happy when they put my wires or whatever. I was like, oh, they could you for real now. But yeah, and I noticed, like, with me wearing the braces, I noticed that I smile more, you know. I smile more. So, you know, if you get braces, of course it's gonna boost your confidence and stuff like that. Because when I didn't have braces, when I used to laugh or smile, I used to like cover my mouth and stuff like that. Now it's a habit for me to like just smile big. Like I don't even think about putting my hand over my mouth like at all. The crazy part is my smile wasn't ugly in the first place, but it was just like, you know, like an insecure thing. I guess when I laugh and I be like but I don't do this no more. I like my teeth and they're cute. When I first got them on, really, like I said, everything bad that happened was when I first got them on. You know, after you have them for a while, I mean, you're pretty much good. But when I first had them on too, like the wire used to be scratching up my lip and stuff like that, and my tongue and everything. But I don't know, I guess after a while, like my mouth got like a little tougher. So now my mouth is not scratched up or scraped up and nothing like that. So that's a good thing. That means progress, right? Oh, and you know, when you first get braces, your lip gonna probably look like, your lip gonna be like kind of like puffy looking or whatever, because your mouth is not used to having the braces on. So you will have to learn how to position your mouth and stuff like that, because you know, when you first get the braces, your lip gonna be, you know, just sitting on top of the braces. It's gonna look kind of crazy. It's gonna look, you know, it's gonna look like something up underneath them. One more thing, it's harder to brush your teeth and floss, of course. So when you go to brush your teeth, you have to like brush them like way better than you would brush your teeth like if you didn't have braces. Like you have to like really get up in there like really good, because you have metal on top of your teeth now. And it's hard for you to get in between places, so you gotta really get up in there really good, so your breath won't stink and stuff like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions dealing with braces, ask me, and I'm pretty sure that I could give you an answer. If I can, I'll let you know that I can. But I'm, you know, just going based off of my experience. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe. And if you subscribe, press the bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. So until next time, bye!